going to make a fun experiment called water surface painting. Let's start. For any experiment, use a messy mat. For that, we need white sheet, chalks, knife, a plate, and some water. Pour some water in the plate. Then pick some color chalks and shave it. Put on water. Take the white sheet and gently put on water for a few seconds. Let it dry for a few minutes. See, it is fully dry. Our beautiful painting is ready. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.